Hello football coaches and football players, my name is Football Coach Allen, and today on this channel I'm going to show you some 4-on-4 flag football plays that are called single drop back football plays. So I hope that you enjoy. So hello everyone, my name is Football Coach Allen. If you are new to this channel, on this channel I show you football plays, drills, and skills. So if you're new to this channel and you like that stuff, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you're not new, still hit that like button. But anyways, I also show another channel called Basketball Coach Allen. It shows basketball plays, drills, and skills. So if I ever say basketball throughout this video, I'm sorry, and that's the phone. So I will be 2 seconds. And that was my mom. Anyways, so I'm sorry about that. So in these plays are really great. I've lost total concentration on what I was talking about. So let's get down to the clipboard and let's check out these football plays. So in this first play, we call this the follow play, and what we are looking to start with is player 4 passes the ball back to player 1, or hikes it back, or just player 1 starts with it. One or the other, it depends on how you want to coach. And player 4 is going to go up 10 to 15 yards, and he's going to go out to the left side, an out route. And then we're going to have a player 3 do the same thing across the field. He's going to be about 15 to 20 yards. And then we're going to have player 2 who's going to be faking going out this direction. And then he's going to cut back up the middle of the field. Our first option in this play is player 4. Our second option is player 2. And our third option, magically, is player 3. In our next play, this is going for the corner. We're aiming for the corner. And what we are looking at in this play is for player 4 to go out just a little bit to his left. He's going to go straight up about 10 yards. And then he's going to go back out another 45-degree angle towards the corner of the field. We're then going to have player 2. He's going to go straight up the field about roughly 15 to 20 yards. And then he's going to go out to an out route towards that left corner as well. And then we're going to have player 3 who's going to go just about a 45-degree angle out. He's going to go straight up about 5 yards. And then he's going to go out to his left side out there. Our first option is player 4. Our second options that we're looking for is player 3 and player 2, depending on who is open, depending on the defense that is being played, and all of that fun stuff. This next play is called the flat, and what we're going to be starting with is player 2 going up about 5 yards, and depending on what his defense is doing, he's either going to go right or left. Next, our center, player 4, is going to go and curl out 5 to 10 yards, but it's going to be a gradual curl out to that sideline. And then we're going to have player 3 who is going up about 10 to 15 yards, and he's going to curl back down at a 45-degree angle towards the quarterback. What we're looking for is player 3 first, player 4 second. This is going to be a lob pass out to player 4, and player 2 is kind of our safety. Now in this next play, we're going to have player 4 going up about 15 yards and cutting right. We're going to have player 3 go in 45-degree angle out 5 yards roughly to his left, straight up about 10 yards, and then he's going to go back out another 45-degree angle out towards the sideline. And player 2 is going to be gradually going out 5 to 10 yards out towards the sideline on the right side as well. I like to aim for player 3 first because his defender is usually towards the middle of the field and he has pretty much this whole side to play with. If not, we have player 2 as well who could have the lob pass going out to him as well. Now in our last play, what we're going to have is player 4 going up about 10-15 yards and going out to the left side. Player 3 is going to go straight up 10 to 15 yards and goes 45-degree angle towards the center of the field. And then we're going to have player 2. He's going to go towards the sideline, and then he's going to fake towards the sideline. Depending on how his defender is playing him, he could go straight up, but we want him to, personally, I like to have him going towards the center of the field. This is only a 5 to 10 yard gain with player 2, but this is personally my number 1 option. If he is not open, we can look at players 4 and 3 downfield as well. Now I hope that you have enjoyed these flag football plays. If you have, hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow for another not daily basketball video. That's what I was talking about in the beginning. I have a basketball channel. That's daily. This channel I try to post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. That's the mistake I usually make with this video, is because it's Coach Allen. Anyways, on this channel I try my best to post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I'll see you guys in my next video.